Srimati Vijayalakshmi Garu, yeah, and Miss Deepthi Reddy and the team, Miss Saumini, Panishri, Madhuri, and esteemed women members, media, ladies and gentlemen. I think a gentleman has taken the back seat. Very good morning to all of you and greetings from National Institute for MSME, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises. I am very happy. It's my pleasure to be here on this day, this moment with all of you, sharing your joy and moving ahead. Really, it's a moment of pride as a woman to me to be here. So officially, we may do many things, but to be on your own, to stand on your own, and not only sharing the responsibility at home, shouldering with men, walking in all walks of life, and coming out and proving that so you are no way less than that. Hearty congratulations to VM and her market, right? Yeah, her market. Many congratulations on my behalf and NIMSME family. This is a unique thing I noticed. Actually, women coming together itself is a great achievement. That too, manufacturers again coming together, it's a unique thing in India, I can say. And that too, a marketing platform, online platform, many unique things are there. I think this is the classic example for Atmanirbhar Bharat. So Atmanirbhar Bharat is nothing but doing everything on our own, standing on our own, manufacturing, sustaining. This is 2-year-old organization and doing well. I could see from your website and all your posters, your brochures, everything. It's a really great thing happening. I'm very happy, and I think it is going to make a lot of changes in the lives of many women. That's what I believe. I hope and I wish these things to happen. I remember many women success models like so when we look at India, of course Seva started long ago, so that was one woman movement from Gujarat, Self-Employed Women Association. Then from Kerala, one more movement has come up, that is Kutumbashree. So Kutumbashree started, I think, during 90s, but later central government has taken over under the National Rural Livelihood Mission. Then State Livelihood Mission has come up because the neighborhood groups were doing well, like our self-help groups. So they have come out with neighborhood help groups actually. So it has become a movement. And when you go through their website and their activities, they have everything starting from this ornamental plant, indoor plant to many things, owning a cab, driving a cab, even playing the bands in the marriages, many things they are doing, A to Z they are doing. But this marketing thing is really unique, I feel. And we all know the Tupperware. Tupperware, we have been using, we have been doing. So a group of women coming together and marketing a product manufactured by somebody else. Okay, and their logo also I like very much, their caption, she can, you can. అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళు చేస్తే మనం కూడా చేయొచ్చు అని వాళ్ళ క్యాప్షన్ అనమాట. ఓకే, బట్ ఎవరో చేసిన ప్రోడక్ట్ని వాళ్ళు మార్కెటింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో మల్టీ లెవెల్ మార్కెటింగ్ సిస్టమ్. సో దే డూ దట్. Many countries, it started in UK and it spread across the globe. In India exclusively women are managing that. Entire chain is managed by 100% women. There is no men intervention in Tupperware marketing. But this we aim and her market is altogether a unique thing. It is the products manufactured by women, so coming together, and women manufacturers coming together, again marketing on their own. In our ministry we have our NSIC Mart.
It's a cooperative marketing system.
Yeah, we have our own mart, so there also we encourage the people, but all are there in that. Okay, men, women, small, medium, all category. But this exclusive women manufacturers, exclusive products manufactured by women, and women marketing, this is really unique thing. And whatever support is required from NIMSME, so I announce at this forum that we are with you. We are in the service of nation, and whatever support you require, any coordination, any kind of help, we are here. You can always come to us, whatever possible we do. And I'm also happy to share at this platform, we have a women's studies cell in our institute. Realizing the capacity, the potential, as very much explained by Ms. Deepthi Reddy earlier. So we have created that school center. Through that, we are also trying to do many women activities, empowering programs we are doing. We conduct many national programs for women and international programs also we do for women empowerment. From developing nations, Asia and Africa, women executives, they come, officials, officers from various departments, they come and they learn many things. We are far ahead. We think that, India, we are lagging, and our society, they don't accept women coming forefront, and especially technical field and manufacturing field, women, they don't accept our society. And globally also there is a study that only 32% are women, whereas 63% are men in the manufacturing field. Even at the workforce also, the women participation is very much restricted only to packing and only wherever food processing is there. Of late, of course, we are into electronics, assembly, looking at China, we are progressing. With this background, when you come out and when you progress, chasing all these barriers, bottlenecks, and moving forward, coming as a group, and taking a momentum. I hope this frequency will increase and many more people will add to this. And then I think many researchers are here. There is a methodology called snowball method, sampling, right? So this way, that snowballing way, many women should add to this. Many sisters and mothers should join this movement. I think this is across the nation.
Yeah, yes, across the nation.
Yeah, so my piece of suggestion is that we have several associations in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Many vibrant groups are there. In Madhya Pradesh, you must be knowing them. So take them, everybody on the board officially. So if you need any intervention, we'll definitely help you. And my wish is also that in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have many task force. Even in a ministry, we have several task force. I am also one of the member for task force in future strategies. So I wish a member from this group also should be the task force member. If any recommendation is there, definitely I'll send a recommendation to the ministry or our government. So when women are placed in these groups or task force, the women participation, importance to women, are the problems faced by the women, the challenges overcome by the women, so they will be taken at national level, and that's how so we can do more justice to women, and we can really highlight the women empowerment. So that is my wish, and I hope. So thank you very much for this opportunity and time. I am really happy and so much delighted to be here. It's my privilege. So I wish all the success. I wish all the success and all the best. So more and more products should come, and more activities should be launched from this particular organization, VAM and Her Market. Actually, our brothers and fathers, they always, I wish they should be the backbone and they should be the backbenchers to support all the sisters and women. So thank you very much.